Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we are going to show you how to change default browser Android so you can surf the web using the specific application you prefer. Now let's get started. Step 1, click any link you receive to see which application currently opens your web results by default. This initial check is important because it identifies which browser is currently controlling your web traffic and confirms if you actually need to make a change. Step 2, swipe down your notification shade or look through your app drawer to open your settings menu. This is the main control center for your entire device, where you can modify how your phone handles different types of data and links. Step 3, scroll down through the list and tap on Apps or App Management to see your full list of installed software. This section is where your phone stores the permissions and specific roles for every application currently running on your Android system. Step 4, look at the top of the screen or the additional menu and tap on Choose Default Apps. This specific menu allows you to assign primary roles to your favorite apps, ensuring that your phone always uses your top choices for specific tasks. Step 5, find the option labeled Browser App and tap on it to view the available web surfing tools on your device. Accessing this submenu is the key step to seeing every browser you have installed that is capable of opening internet links. Step 6, select Chrome or your preferred browser from the provided list to finalize your new selection. Once you choose your favorite, your phone will automatically use that application every time you click a website link in the future. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.